hopefully I got the volume right. Seems like it keeps changing. I don't understand what is going on or how to get it right and keep it the same, but if you watch the previous videos, I apologize if the volume's bad. I'm trying to get it figured out and try to keep it maintained. But I'm gonna check out 1 in a billion moments in nature today. Hopefully this volume's good. But yeah, if you guys enjoy watching, if you want to keep watching, if you want to subscribe, I know I'm kind of hard to find right now, being kind of new, but once I figure out how to fix my camera, oh, come on. Trying to keep these intros short, but still kind of taking a lot of time off from technology, so trying to get back into it is rough. I'll post the original down below, and I'm just going to take out whatever's blocked or copyright in their the ads and stuff, but let's jump into it. Wasn't a very clear view of that. I mean, that was kinda
A stunning
cool,
sight. In West Bengal, India, a roaring river rips through its banks, swallowing up chunks of land like they were nothing.
Yeah.
It only takes seconds for nature to completely transform the landscape. It is commendable that the Himachal Pradesh government responded quickly, evacuating people before the landslides began. In moments of crisis, a timely decision can save hundreds of lives.
Oh man, that absolutely sucks.
On the icy shores of Kamchatka, a pod of beluga whales is trapped in extreme conditions. But the locals aren't standing still. They're rushing into action, braving the biting cold to try to save every single life.
Never seen actual footage of those. That's pretty cool. Oh, I mean, not what's happening, but just to see it. Obviously, they're more or less devastating than they are anything. I didn't realize. Seems like that seems to be a pattern. I didn't realize what exactly I'm getting into. I wonder what was causing that.
Watch the ground violently shift in Myanmar's March 2025 earthquake. A terrifying moment where control slips away in seconds.
Have I seen this video? I don't think I've seen this. I thought I saw the gate opening, but I don't think I saw the ground.
On June 29th, 2025, the sky over Vila do Conde, Portugal, was rolling like an ocean. Layered clouds pouring in like an overhead tide. It's like a world frozen between two realities, where day and night coexist. A rare sight, reminiscent of the polar regions during the summer solstice, when half the sky remains bright and the other half is plunged into darkness.
I just kind of dead. I didn't realize it was that dark in the camera. It's pretty sweet to wake up to outside like the sky.
Oh, it's... Ouch. Yeah, so that shit hurt, that shit hurt.
It's like lava. The glowiness.
On September 19th, 2024, Kamloops, Canada watched a century-old landmark vanish in flames, just short of its 100th birthday. More than a bridge burned that day, a piece of the city's soul went with it.
The ones that I'm not even positive I've heard of them or not. I might not have seen any of these videos in the past. Is that? Oh, they are in the water. I was thinking that was like a
From a distance, a landslide looks like just a gentle slide of earth. But as you get closer, your survival instinct makes you run before you can think. The power of nature is deceptive, both to the eye and to the mind.
Even far away, it doesn't look good. That is really good. See, even if you were sitting 10 miles away on a clear open day and you see those rocks coming down, you know it's not good. Saw clear visibility.
In June 2024 in northern India, a massive landslide blocked a road and swept a communications tower off a hillside, all captured in breathtaking footage.
Were the people in the tower? Or were they evacuated?
A massive landslide just swept through Pennsylvania, a stunning testament to the uncontrollable power of nature. In the blink of an eye, the landscape was completely transformed.
That really sucks. It's like a river. These really are not what I was anticipating when I clicked on the video. These are natural disasters. It's supposed to be one in a billion moments in nature. These are natural disasters, not moments caught.
Nature has its own way, and when it decides to change, nothing can stand in its way. In an instant, the landscape can be completely reordered.
They're gonna stand up on its own. What exactly is happening? And see what it went into. Can't tell what those are, it's too blurry. It looks the same on OBS. Play Shark Sensor, maybe? These are more the kind of moments in nature one really don't think you would have caught. Dancing Dave too. Looks like, yeah, I just pulled this. Completely different. What
An incredible moment in Karnal Harana, India. The ground suddenly rises from under the water, leaving onlookers stunned. Most likely, the gas and water pressure that had built up underneath caused the ground to explode like a lid being popped off a jar. On June 24, 2025, China succumbed to the wrath of nature. A flood surged high, sweeping everything away in an instant. The footage captured will leave you speechless at the irresistible power of the floodwaters.
So horrendous. This is about 2 4 happened in Texas. There's somebody in the cars too, because the lights, you got the brake lights on, trying to stop. Going in,
on the morning of June 30th, a multi-story building in Shimla, India, collapsed after heavy monsoon rains. Fortunately, all residents had evacuated safely the night before, after noticing alarming cracks. A timely, life-saving decision.
That Must have been all one storm, like crossing them over there and came over here.
Dust storms are a recurring phenomenon across East Asia, carrying powerful winds and a dangerous cocktail of pollutants like soot, sulfur, and fine ash. After they pass, cities are often blanketed in thick dust, requiring thorough cleanup to protect public health.
Oh, never. This is the Aurora starting to get dark.
What is... I don't understand what this. Is that real nature, or is that some type of made thing? Man.
A few days ago, a massive rock slide occurred near Kedarnath on the Char Dham Yatra route in Uttarakhand, India, sweeping debris down to the edge of the pilgrimage trail. Fortunately, no casualties were reported in the incident.
This looks huge. Although I don't think I've ever seen any like real in person or most of them you see in
A small avalanche suddenly hits, trapping a group of tourists, and the camera captures the shock and excitement of the moment the snow and ice engulfed them.
That looks awesome. How does that reach all the way over there? That's not. That sucks. So said no injuries though. Really hurt that body too. Hopefully they just let it go too. That was quick. Must have been, 'cause he's laughing. That looks awesome.
Taking a ferry is more than just getting your car across the river. It often feels like living in a movie scene, where every journey has a little bit of unexpected adventure.
That never happened to me. Nothing like that. Ooh.
On June 20th, 2025, Hawaii's Kilauea volcano erupted with great force, spraying lava columns more than 1,200 feet high, setting a new record for nearly 8 hours of continuous eruption. It was a magnificent display, revealing the raw power of the Earth.
Yeah, it's pissed. Got every known natural disaster happening there. It's like a never-ending thing.
A security camera captured the shocking moment. An earthquake shook a market in Japan, causing the ground to split open right under the stalls.
Ooh.
Luckily, the place was mostly empty when it happened.
I see some stuff falling. Looks like they might have broke. Jeez. See the ground split open like 3 inches. Screw that up. See, keep driving right through the heavy stuff.
Oh my god.
What's wrong? Holy crap.
Hear it.
What is that?
Oh shit. That's bright.
Is that a telephone pole?
It's like a welder.
Yeah, it does look like a welder, but it's certainly not. That.
Recently, heavy rains lashed the Halol Pavagad area of Panchmahal district, India, causing torrential floods to flood the area. A ferocious scene saw streets quickly turn into flooded streams.
More landslides, I feel like, than anything. A couple earthquakes. Almost looked like a whale at first. Like, this one's so shaky, you can't tell where you're coming and going. What? It'd be kind of cool if I knew where they were. This one doesn't say nothing.
This footage from Italy reveals nature's unstoppable power, and it's no wonder ancient people believed such disasters were the wrath of gods. What unfolds feels straight out of ancient legend.
But it doesn't say nobody wasn't in.
Immerse yourself in this breathtaking time lapse. Clouds roll like waves across the Barcelona beach, creating a mesmerizing visual symphony.
On the beach. That should be like a sure sign to go home. Oh, I hate how that those come up. I wish I waited till.
Thanks for watching. If these amazing videos caught your attention, don't forget to subscribe to see more content like this.
You're welcome.
Always remember that awareness and preparation are the keys to keeping yourself safe.
You can't. They don't give you enough time to prepare sometimes. That's just unfortunate. My apologies for thinking that was going to be moments that weren't devastating. That, I mean, there was a couple cool moments, but it was mostly landslides, devastation, heartbreak, and not what I was expecting. We really got to figure out, like, this one, you can't see my hand, but 1 in a billion moments in nature best of number 6 in 57 minutes, like, that looks like another more or less upsetting video than it does, like, more or less like you feel like you're walking through a museum or something. But man, anyway, hopefully I get the volume going well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you want to keep watching, if you did enjoy, if you want to hit subscribe, I'm going to keep trying to go every other day. I'll edit this one, see how it sounds, get the ads out of it, get it posted, and then try getting on another one. But I did one last night that I haven't even looked at yet, and that one might be really bad. Either that one's bad or this one's bad, one or the other. But appreciate you being here. Till the next one. Whoops. Whoops.